Hi, I'm Anshika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting today's topic, I want to say that learning has no age or limit. The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. We should always be eager to learn something new irrespective to our age. And as we all know, due to this lockdown, we have got plenty of free time. We should utilize this time in order to learn something new, something which is essential for our future, something which pays off. So, today I'm bringing you 5 essential skills which can change your life, which can be the source of your income, which can make you self-independent. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start with our 5th most important skill, which is content writing. Content writing or writing personal blog are somewhat similar. Just you need to have a good knowledge about the language in which you are writing a content. It doesn't matter in which language you are writing. The only thing that matters is your knowledge about that language. You should have a good grip on it. It is an experience-based freelancing job. In initial period, you guys may have to write some article for free and work for free project to gain some experience. As soon as people start recognizing your work, you will be eventually paid. Now let's move to our 4th important skill, which is video editing. It is such a skill which can be learned and mastered very easily. As you guys make 20 to 25 projects, you can understand how it functions and how can be pro in it. There are many applications for Windows as well as MacBook where one can learn video editing. But for beginners, I would recommend Sony Vega Pro, and for MacBook user, iMovie of course, because it is preloaded in it. Now the 3rd important skill which we are going to talk about is investing. Once Warren Buffett said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." As soon as we turn 18, we should start investing, be it stock market or cryptocurrency. If you want long-term profit, then you should start investing right now. But remember one thing, before starting investment, you should read all the document and disclaimer related to it, the risk involved and the knowledge about it. Though the stock market is the most recommended source of investment, but before investing, do your research and learn about the market fluctuation and the risk involved. And if you guys want a detailed video related to this topic, then please comment below. Let's move to our 2nd most important skill, which is graphic designing. Graphic designing is a craft where professional creators visualize their content to communicate messages. This includes creating logos, designing cover page, making blueprint of website, and etc. Graphic designer attracts viewers using images, colors, and unique ideas which reflect on their work. There are many graphic designing classes that are available on the internet from where you can learn the skill very easily. This skill is very essential in future perspective because along with the rising of content creator, the demand of this sector is also increasing. And last but not the least, the most important skill for this generation is coding. Basically, coding means computer programming. The computer has its specific set of language to communicate, and this language are known as programming languages. There are many programming languages such as Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Python, and etc. You can learn any of this language depending upon your interest. It requires minimum 2 to 3 months to learn these languages. But trust me guys, it is worth it. Cause not only in freelancing, but if you want to work in IT companies or corporate sectors in future, learning this skill are very necessary. Guys, I have given the link of freelancing website in my description of this video where you can showcase your freelancing skill and earn money. And if you guys have any queries related to video, you can contact me on my social, whose links are also given in the description below. And follow me there for more updates related to video. And if you guys like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay home, goodbye.